Hi everyone, welcome to another video where we are solving the LeetCode problems, and today we are going to see another set of problems, select data from a data frame. So this is again easy because it just we need to select a data from a data frame using any one of the input. In this case, we are going to take student ID as the input, and we need to print out whatever the other values that are in that ID. For example, in student ID 101, you have the name Ulysses and age is 13. So the output should be name and age of the ID 101. So it's very simple. Again, we can solve this, but it is a very useful one because when you play with large data, if you want to get a particular data, you can directly go ahead and use this. And this might be handy when you are working in a school where you are going to segregate data based on a student ID, or maybe you are working in an organization where you want to segregate data based on employee ID, and so much goes on. Maybe if you could be working in a shop where you want to implement a database and you want to work on it, you can follow the same thing. So let's do that. So in order to do that, I'm going to return straight away the value. For that, we will take students data frame. In students data frame, we need to check the access the key student ID, right? So return students, and to pass a key we use this again. Key will be student ID. Let me quickly copy this and paste it there. Attend student ID, what is the value we are looking for? Equal to 101, right? So if this condition satisfies, we will print out uh, name and age of the respective ID, right? So we'll pass one more list inside that, and the list will contain name, comma, age. So that should do it. Let me try to run and check once. Okay, I think there is an error here. Let me check it out. Okay, it seems that I have missed to access the data frame first. So let me add here students of students ID, right? And let me close this out. Okay, now let me run this. That's it. So you can see the answer here. Yep, so we got the answer. So basically, this might be a little bit confusing in one line. So what it says is that out of the data frame students, we are taking the student ID, right? Student ID values, and we are checking that whether it is equal to 101 or not. So once if it is equal to 101, then we are going to access two columns, that is name and age of that particular data frame. So that's why we have passed inside a list another list with name and age. If we need only name, we can just ignore this list and just like that pass name alone in one list, and it will give the value. So that's it. It's very simple if you understand what is happening in this. Uh, so if you have any doubts, you can always comment below and I'll be ready to help you out. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.